Eric Jarvis. I'm from Ashland, Kentucky-ish. We're in the middle of nowhere.
Year, make, model, motor, and setup.
It is an 01 S2000. It's got a K-Series, the billet block this year, because last year when you did this interview, I wrecked the
I have that video. We'll be sure and fit that in.
Make sure fit that in.
Is this the same chassis though? Same body?
This is the billet block.
I mean the same body though, the car.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, really?
Yeah, absolutely, man. I took the front end on it after the wreck. We straightened everything back out, obviously the right way, and we ended up going with the billet block right before World Cup last year, and it's been doing really well. We've been doing no time V8 racing all year.
Awesome.
And it's been flying. We're going 460s to V8. It's compound turbo. We're running the high pressure is S369 Borg Warner. The low pressure is an 8891 GTX 5020R. It's a compound setup. There's not a lot of guys doing this successfully right now. There's maybe 2 or 3 in the drag racing import world that are doing it. We seem to be doing pretty well. This was just supposed to go on the car because the COVID stuff was happening, and I needed something to do over the winter, and it turned into working really, really good. So I love it.
I love it too. Thanks again.
Spun the tires early, and at the top end, spun the tires a little bit down low, so the car seems to be hooking up now, and at the top end.
What's your best quarter mile?
I was coasting. We coasted a 760.
Oh, that was today? Okay,
yeah,
I saw it.
Just coasting.
All right. Thanks for coming out. Appreciate it. At the 8th mile, they're pretty close. Who's it going to be? Steinmeier.